Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add HTML code in Shopify. Now guys, of course the first thing that you need to do is go to shopify.com and then you need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Shopify. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Shopify videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Shopify store that I have created, and here we have some options. So basically on the left side of the screen, we have the home button, we have the orders, we have the products, we have the customers, we have the content, analytics, marketing, and discounts of this store. Also, we have the sales channels where we have the online store and the points of sale. Also, we have the add applications where you can go and add some of the applications. And in the bottom left corner, we have the settings where you can find all of the settings about your account. Also, in the top right corner, as you can see, you have my store or your store, where you have the help center, you have the chain log, community forums, hire a Shopify partner, keyboard shortcuts, we have the actual name, and we have your manage account, and you have the, of course, log out option. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a HTML code in Shopify. Well, step one is to create a custom HTML section on the Shopify theme. From your Shopify admin, navigate to online store, which is here as you can see. Then click on themes, which is the first thing. Click on customize and then just click edit code. Just a second, so then just go and click edit code guys. Then after that, add Shopify HTML section, add the HTML code to the add section, and then just save everything here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.